up? It's your girl Chelsea-Alana and welcome back to my video. Hey, what's up? It's your girl Chelsea-Alana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this video is sponsored by Revair Hair. If you guys follow my blog, ChelseaAlanaa.com, you guys have seen me talk about Revair Hair and their reverse blow dryer and how much better it is to use on your curly natural hair versus a traditional blow dryer. The reason why I have like this dramatic setup right here is because I just had to do a reel for Instagram, and so the first part of the reel I was like pretending to dry my hair just in bunches with this. Once my hair is fully dried, then I will finish up the reel, but also I wanted to make a video to show you guys how I actually dry my hair. Now, you guys have probably seen Rev Hair like reverse blow dryers all the time, but you've probably only seen this part. When I tell you this humongous semi-heavy box came in the mail, I was just like, why is the blow dryer in here? And then I didn't know what this was. I thought this was like a vacuum. I'm like, oh my god, it's a blow dryer and a vacuum. This is fabulous. This is very, very good for home care. But it's not. This is a whole like machine. I'm going to blow dry my hair with this. I heard that it takes like half of the time to blow dry your hair. To blow dry your hair with the Revair Reverse Blow Dryer versus a regular blow dryer, so I'm super interested on how that's going to work. So I have a bunch of hair ties, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off my hair. Now this is going to be a little bit difficult because, as you guys know, I do have micro links in my hair, and so because I don't know the original like map out of how Maya like parted my micro links, some of the parts, well, all the parts are not going to be straight at all. And so I didn't really put any product in my hair because I do like when my hair is product free after a blowout. And it's like silky smooth, that type of thing. So I'm going to try to part out a like small section in the back. Okay, so I'm going to brush out my hair. The battery is dying, which is perfect. It's kind of hard for me to really like comb out my hair because my micro links have shifted. Like from when Maya first put them on, they were like basically touching my scalp, and now because of the new growth and me having it in for so long, the micro links have shifted, so it's kind of hard to get a good comb out. So I use like a wooden, I guess, rat tail. I don't want to call it a rat tail, but that type of brush. Okay, so this is the Revair blow dryer. I like it. It is super sleek and matte. So if you have like oil or grease on your hands, it is going to like kind of ruin it. And so it has a setting of 2 and 1. This is, I don't know what this is called, but I guess this is like the whole point of it. It has the on and off switch here. This is the keeps it on or off, and then you can control the on or off on here as well. On this side, however, this is where you kind of say like where you want your dryness level to be at. So once I'm gonna turn my dryness level up to 6. Turn it up to 6, and you're gonna try this out. And so you want to kind of help the hair get in there, and you gotta get it up to the root. And they said to move it around to help dry the root as fast as possible. So I'm gonna time how long it takes to dry my hair. So I'm moving around. It doesn't feel that hot. They said to move it up and down as well. Now I just got out the shower, so my hair was literally drenched. I can see in the mirror that my hair is getting straight. Okay, 30 seconds. Now let's see how much it has straightened my hair in 30 seconds. Okay, okay. It's not super straight, it's still wet. However, a lot different from this side. So I'm going to keep going. So I just did an additional 30 seconds and literally this is a lot better. So after another 30 seconds, this is what my hair looks like. It is primarily, it is dry. So within 1 minute, 30 seconds for the first half, 30 seconds for the second half, within 1 minute, this is how dry it made my hair. So is it like as dry as I want it to be? Clearly no. I would have to go back over it with like a flat iron. However, one thing that I like about the Revair Reverse Blow Dryer is that I don't have to use both hands. It kind of feels like I'm using a shake weight really. I'm just sucking it in, pause, and just going up and down, pause, pause. And it's drying out my hair a lot faster. So I'm gonna keep it going. Ever since Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks came out with a cold brew, cold foam, I love going on YouTube, watching those videos, trying to learn how to make all those barista things. They are so good. So I want to make sure that this video is not like super edited where I cut a lot of parts out, but the only reason why it's taking me so long is because I have to literally comb out these knots and dreadlocks from my freaking microlinks that I'm totally embarrassed about. Like, I am embarrassed at my big age that I do not know how to properly take care of my hair, and I have like literal dreadlocks inside of my microlinks. And had my hair been like detangled and properly like combed out, I probably would be done by now, or at least on to the second half. So yeah, I've had these microlinks in for about 3 months now, and truth be told, I love microlinks, but they are only good for like a month, or if you're one of those people who's grow or doesn't tangle or doesn't curl too much, microlinks are for you. But I'm going back to tape-ins by the end of the month. I already gave Maya, Hair by Maya, my down deposit for my custom 30-inch 200-piece 5-pound bundle tape-ins that are custom colored to match my color, because microlinks just aren't for me. But they were really good for the summer and for like traveling and stuff like that. I mean, like, girl. And this is actually perfect because these microlinks are like extremely curly. So I have tried to straighten my microlinks before. However, the process was like so long and nothing could get it straight enough to this point to where when I flat iron it, it'll be like worth the try. So the fact that it's only been like 10 minutes, child, 10-20 minutes, boom, done. My roots are dry, my ends are all the way dry. So for the YouTube video, I'm going to show you guys how it looks naturally, but for the Instagram reel, I'm going to try to go for the shock value. So I'm going to like flat iron my hair. Yeah, you guys really inconvenience me. Because now I have nothing to do. Yeah, and I'm not leaving till the 14th. So in between that, you guys were like a lot of my entertainment. It does, but look, watch. Huh? It's on a cool setting, so it's not even hot. Look, it did half of my hair in literally 15 minutes. I timed it. You want to see how my blow dryer works? Okay. So this is it. Can you see me? You ready? Okay, then you turn it on. Hold on. Then you turn it on. And then look. Isn't it so cool? And it literally did half of my hair literally in like 20 minutes. Just like that, we are done. My hair is fully dry. I mean, honestly, the only reason why it took as long as it did is because I had to part, detangle, comb, and brush out my sections prior to using the Rev Hair blow dryer. However, I timed each section, and this literally dried my scalp, my leave out, and my extensions within 20 minutes. It is not, you don't smell any like burning hair the way you would do if you go to like a Dominican salon. My arms are not exhausted, I'm not sweating, I'm not hot. Like, the hair dryer was not even at a high heat level. Like, I feel like it was moderately cool. Like I said, it even dried my scalp. And to go from like drenched hair to having hair that is literally like dry, I cannot believe it. And I'm so super excited that I have this now, so I can feel confident to wet my hair, because I know it's only gonna take me like 20 minutes to dry it, and then all I have to do is flat iron it, or maybe I don't even have to flat iron it. I could just, you know, do a doobie and it'll eventually get straight. So shout out to Rev Hair for sponsoring this video and also sending me a reverse blow dryer. Make sure to use my coupon code in my description links in the box below. You know, your girl get a little affiliate. She's gonna ching 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 ching. I feel like this is a great back to school present, because I remember being in high school and I had to take aquatics, and the most irritating thing was coming home with like drenched hair and then having to take hours straightening it, you know, blow drying it. My mom would get irritated and things like that. And so if I had this back in the day, honey, would have been getting bleak. So like I said, make sure to check out the links in the box below, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon.